Hello friends, yesterday we have taken the basic English, that is was, 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 the, the. Today we are taking where, where बोले तो भी था, थी, थे, ఉండే ఒక్కటి కంటే ఎక్కువ होता होती होते एकापेक्षा जास्त दाखवत असाल तर वेरचा उपयोग करतात. काल आपण वाजचा उपयोग केलेले आहोत. वाज एकासाठीच थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर కోసమే వాజ్ది ఉపయోగిస్తారు. కానీ టుడే we are taking WERE where is used for the third person plural and first person plural. What is the where? To indicate a person in the past, to indicate what was the person, and to indicate or show the time. What was the time? What was the person? ఉండే అతను ఉండే ఉను థే వాళ్ళు ఉండే వాళ్ళు డాక్టర్లు ఉండే టీచర్లు ఉండే like this we are showing where. Here I have drawn the structure of the where, WERE, ఉండే होता होती होते, you we they. Here you we they, it is second person plural, ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ప్లూరల్, థర్డ్ పర్सन प्लुरल. దీనికోసము याच्यासाठी वेरचा उपयोग करतात. यू वेर रिच, यू वेर लेबर्स, वी वेर स्टुडंट्स, दे वेर टीचर्स, दे वेर थ्यूज, दे वेर चिल्ड्रन. Like this you make the structure, you make the thousands of sentences, thousands. You make as much as sentences possible. Don't hesitate to write. That is why it is important. Now where are present situation, आर दी उपयोगिस्तार. प्रेझेंट सिच्युएशनला आरचा उपयोग करतात. was, where, past situation, था थी थे, इथं आहेत, ఉన్నరు, ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఉన్నవారు. see here what is called, you are old now, you are old now. Here you were young, you were young, మీరు आयुष्यवालू ఉండేవాళ్ళు, तुम्ही ओल्ड आहात, म्हातारे आहात, तुम्ही जवान होत्या होते. अभी देखो यहाँ पर नाउ बोलते अब, ఇప్పుడు, ago पहले, you now you are teacher, अब तुम टीचर है, अब तुम टीचर है. यहाँ पर ago पे कैसा करना, 15 years ago, 15 years ago you were students, 15 years ago 15 साल पहले तुम टीचर थे. यहाँ पर now you are leaders, अब तुम लीडर है. 10 years ago you were leaders, 10 years ago you were leaders. now they are rich, अब वो पैसे वाले हैं, धनवान हैं. 5 years ago they were poor, now students are in college, अब स्टूडेंट कॉलेज में है. 3 hours ago students were in ground. Like this you make the sentences was and were, friends. Okay, now come to the next one. How to make the next question sentences? See here, we were heroes, हम हीरो थे. we were not heroes, हम हीरो नहीं थे. we were players, we were dancers, we were officers, we were prized, we were students, हम स्टूडेंट थे, we were bank employees, we were officers, we were leaders, we were constables, we were SPs, we were owners, we were producers, we were directors. Like this you make the sentences. अभी नहीं थे बोले तो we were not liars, हम लायरा नहीं थे. We were not police, हम पुलिसा नहीं थे. We were not nurse, हम नर्स नहीं थे. We were not advocates, we were not leaders, we were not constables, हम कांस्टेबला नहीं थे. Like this you make the sentences. Next one, what is the you? It is a third person singular as well as plural. You were collector, तू कलेक्टर था. You were collector, तू कलेक्टर होतास. एकच म्हणू शकता. मी निव्वू कलेक्टर उंडे, एकच होता. You were collectors, तुम कलेक्टरा थे. तुम्ही कलेक्टर होतात, एकापेक्षा जास्त. మీరు కలెక్టరు ఉండే అంటే ఒక్కటి కంటే ఎక్కువ. ఒక్కటి అనవచ్చు యు అంటే ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ప్లూరల్. यू वेर चाइल्ड, तू एक लड़का था, तू एक छोटा लड़का था. నీవు ఒక చిన్న అబ్బాయి ఉండే. तुम्ही एक लहान मुलगा होतास, तू लहान मुलगा होतास. यू वेर चिल्ड्रन, तुम छोटे लड़के थे, बोल तो अभी बड़े हो गए, इसका मकसद. यू वेर गर्ल, तू एक लड़की थी, एक लड़की थी. यू वेर गर्ल्स, तुम लड़कियां थे, यहाँ पर थे एक पेक्षा जास्त, एक ఒక్కటి కంటే ఎక్కువ. यू वेर मैन, तू एक आदमी था, నువ్వు ఒక మనిషి ఉండే. यू वेर मेन. फ्रेंड्स हियर मैन बोले तो MAN मैन, एक से ज्यादा रहे तो MEN मेन. लाइक दिस यू मेक द सेंटेंसेस फ्रेंड्स. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. यू के ऊपर यू भी अभी यहाँ पर एक है या ज्यादा है. यू वेर वुमन, तू औरत थी, तू लेडीज होतीस, होतास, होतीस उंडे. यू वेर नॉट वुमेन, वुमन, तू औरत नहीं थी. यू वेर वुमेन, एक पेक्षा जास्त, ఒక్కటి కంటే ఎక్కువ. నువ్వు యూ వేర్ నాట్ ఉమెన్, యూ వేర్ ఉమెన్, మీరు ఉమెన్లు. पर अभी दे थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, प्लूरल एक से ज्यादा, एक का अपेक्षा जास्त. आई एम टेलिंग, आई एम रिपीटिंग again and again saying that what is the first person, second person and third person. English depends upon the first person, second person and third person. It is more than one. If you are indicating more than one person, place or things, that is called they. they यहाँ पर they बोले तो कौन? फार्मर्स, डांसर्स, सिंगर्स, वर्कर्स, prized, boys, girls, men, children, women, laborers, doctors, owners, singers, dancers, brides, bridegrooms, receivers, small farmers, priests, maulanas, students, union leaders, mediators, advocates, police, SPs, collectors, nurse, attenders. Like this, more than one. If you are indicating more than one, that is called they. Here take, they were farmers, उन्हों फार्मरा थे, खेती करने वाले थे. ते शेतकरी होते, వాళ్ళు రైతులు ఉండే. हियर फार्मर्स बोल तो दे बोले तो यहाँ पर फार्मर्स ఇది చూపిస్తుంది. దే వేర్ రిచ్, फार्मर्स वर रिच, కూలీలు ఉన్నవాళ్ళు. काय लोक कसे होते? शेतकरी धनवान होते. फार्मर्स वेर नॉट रिच, शेतकरी धनवान नव्हते. ఫార్మర్స్ పైసా వాళ్ళు లేరు, ఉండేవాళ్ళు అంటే పూర్ వాళ్ళు అన్నట్టు దానికి అర్థం. టీచర్స్ వేర్ హ్యాపీ, टीचर खुश थे, टीचर शिक्षक खुश होते. जजेस वेर इन कोर्ट, जजेस कोर्ट मध्ये होते, होते एकापेक्षा जास्त. वुमेन वेर बिसाइड टेम्पल, लेडीज कहाँ थे, टेम्पल को बाजू में थे. बॉयज वेर इन फ्रंट ऑफ कोच, लड़के कोच के सामने थे. అబ్బాయిలు కోచ్ ముంగర ఉండే, लड़के कोच के सामने थे. लाइक दिस. ब्रिजेस वेर ब्राइड्स, BRIDES, 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 brides were in marriage hall, bridegrooms were outside marriage hall, doctors were in front of teachers, drivers were on road, maulanas were in masjid, priests were in temple. Like this, friends, like this, friends, today we have completed where. Now what should you do? Subscribe my channel, subscribe, share with your friends, like it and comment, so that I can get encouragement from you. Thanks, friends.